all it goes is collect. Collect. As a member of AAC, not only a member, I am the only Edo man who is a state coordinator in international. I am the chairman of AAC and TRB, Texas. The chairman. I am the chairman, the state coordinator of Texas. Texas is bigger than the whole Nigeria. Texas was going down. They were complaining that people are not responding to them. I never knew that it's because of this corruption. Some Yoruba who saw it, some Yoruba are very good. My friends in the army, in the military, in the police, they are Yoruba, a lot of them. They are very good. Very, very good. Ondo State is one of the best states. But she wouldn't want to appreciate to Ondo. That aside, I want to underline that one. Not all Yoruba, but majority. People like Sowore have destroyed Nigeria. That made the Sowore said story. Abiola bring this money. I said that. He said this story. I've been in America for decades. What Sowore have achieved, no claimant can achieve it. He should tell us how he got it. That is number one. And I know a lot of law enforcement officers who are working for Sowore. I want you all to cut your ties before FBI follow the money. This is America. Dr. Marco, he might be U.S. citizen, I'm a U.S. citizen. And a lot of Sowore members are U.S. citizens. We all know the law. Listen, I'm not stupid as you people thought I am. I am very, very smart. Wisdom that God has given me, no professor can teach you. And Dr. Marco, if you don't want protesting in your office, if you don't want me to protest in your office, I need you and Sowore to come out. We're going to demand accountability. You people plan how you deceive Nigeria. Are you serious? Say it with your mouth before people open their mouth. Not even me will open my mouth. Others will come out. I want you all to listen to the promise one more time. Then you know where I am coming from. Therefore, and I want to let all the good people freedom movement understand one thing. You know me, I am a father.
Yes, good morning, beautiful people all over the world. Happy weekend to you all. See my friends, Bensi Onaiwu, Mr. Sonny, Oluwagbotimi, Omotosho, my boss, I greet you. Miss Ben, I see you. Latifu Obasuye, I see you. I see all my brothers. Ose Austin, I see you. Don Bamzi Tonero, I see you. Sagbemore, my son, I see you. How are you guys doing? Yes, happy weekend to you all. Good morning from Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Yes, I was on my way to my bed yesterday when someone drew my attention to a live video by Mega. By Mega. Whether a Mega governorship candidate to Mega governorship aspirant to Mega criminal, Mega blackmailer, Mega online umilao, Mega rantao. I don't know the one what I want to classify him now. Mega what? So for now, let me just call him Mega. Because I don't know whether I have to call him Mega governorship candidate, Mega governorship aspirant, Mega blackmailer, Mega liar, Mega character assassinator. I don't know where to classify him now. So let me just call him Mega for now. The Mega! Somebody drew my attention and said, Albert, please share this video if you are just joining us. Said Albert, invite Eranomigho too, invite Sowore, invite the Mako, invite all the people that Eranomigho accused of duping the Edo people, duping Nigerians. Invite them, let them come and watch. Said Mega yesterday spent almost 2 to 3 hours ranting, saying all sorts of things that he cannot prove. Well, for me, I've always known Eranomigho to be like this. Is very, very unstable. Eranomigho is not somebody that you can trust. Eranomigho is not somebody that you can rely on. Eranomigho is not someone that you can invest in. Eranomigho is not someone that you can confide in. Eranomigho is not that person. The foundation of Eranomigho is very, very faulty. Also now me away in the family, Eranomigho is just get the way Eranomigho today. Get the way Eranomigho today. Eranomigho get the way today. I'm the one that I have Eranomigho's cure. When it comes to online noise, online ranting, I have Eranomigho's cure. You see, when they started this whole AAC thing, more election rep for president, Omo Sowore knew that the only thing he has to offer is to just be making noise. Omo Sowore knew right from the beginning that there's no way he will win his local government. There's no way he will win his state. There's no way he will win because he's not even as credible as President Muhammadu Buhari. I have no problem with people running for different, like people like Mongalu and some other guys. They were not really doing fundraising like Omo Sowore. They invested their money. I'm very, very sure that someone like Kisli Mongalu spent, let's say, 40 to 45% of his personal savings, of his personal resources on his ambition. But I doubt if Omo Sowore spent up to 5% of his own personal money. They just take advantage of their followers. They take advantage of people that are following them. They believe their followers are foolish. They believe their followers are fools. That's why they take advantage of them. How can you just wake up and say you want to be president without having your own structure? You don't even know, without having your own lay down structures to enable you execute whatever you want to do. You can't just wake up and say because you are popular, because okay, I think I'm back online. Please, if you are still following me, just type yes. If you are still following me, type yes. My network is pretty terrible this morning, but just go back. You see, if you're still following me, just type yes. If you have shared, type yes. If you have invited your friends, just type yes. Type yes, type yes. Yes, are you still with me? I can see some of my friends. Yes, are you still with me? Just type yes. So, you cannot just wake up and say because you are popular, you have over 1 million followers online,